Testimony coming to an abrupt halt today in the Alex Murdaugh double murder trial. The Colleton County Courthouse was evacuated because of a bomb threat that took place today. And WSAV's Andrew Davis was there when it happened, and within the last half hour has learned new information about that threat. He is joining us now live from Walterboro to wrap up this interesting day.
Yeah, for every twist and turn in this story, this may have been one we didn't necessarily see. It's just about 12:30 this afternoon when we're sitting in court. We suddenly hear the walkie-talkie earpiece next to me go off, turning and saying there's definitely something going on. The judge talks to one of the bailiffs and from there just turns and talks to the entire court.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have to evacuate the building at this time.
SLED said officially it was a bomb threat. We understand it may have been called directly into the judge's chambers. The clerk of court talked to Selena Guevara from NBC. She said the caller did not mention Alec or the Murdaughs at all. And the good news, she said, is the judge's chambers are one of the most secure locations in the entire building. The department just re-upped their threat training in preparation for this specific trial. It took a little over 2 hours of work for the entire courthouse to be cleared. Court resumed just after 3 p.m. Before this strange interruption, there was court testimony, though. It began with cross-examination of the gunshot residue expert. The defense worked to show that unless it's washed or wiped off, gunshot residue can last a long time. While Agent Megan Fletcher called it a significant amount found in that blue raincoat, no one could say it may have gotten there when it was found in Alex's mother's home.
Is it very possible that where you're sitting right now, there's gunshot primer residue?
That is a possibility, yes, sir.
So if a consumer took possession of that garment 4 years ago, unless it's cleaned off or washed off, it'll stay for 4 years.
It could, yes.
Then Murdaugh's former paralegal stepped to the stand. Annette Griswold called Alec intelligent and like a Tasmanian devil when it came to work, just rushing everywhere, always in a hurry. She says she started seeing a few unusual fee structures starting in December of 2020, all of which seemed to happen when she was out of the office and not watching. Everyone ignored the financial issues after Maggie and
when I did a check kind of floated like a feather to the ground, and when I bent over to pick it up, I saw the check and what it said. I instantly became very upset because it happened to be one of the checks from the Ferris case that didn't exist.
Now, Griswold said Alex even sent her a text after his attempted suicide from rehab, saying in part, quote, "The worst part is knowing that I did the most damage to the ones I love." We do expect many more financial crime testimony witnesses in the next few days, including maybe Alex's best friend, as well as several other people that he allegedly stole millions of dollars from. In Walterboro, I'm Andrew Davis. Back to you.
Andrew, thank you so much. And WSAV is on your side with complete coverage of the trial online. You can watch testimony live on our website and follow along as our digital team blogs the day's events in real time. You'll find that all at WSAV.com/Murdaugh.